Welcome! Today we'll learn how to convert 5.0 liters to milliliters. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's understand the relationship between liters and milliliters. Here's a container that holds 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. This means that milli represents 1,000th, or dividing by 1,000. To convert 5.0 liters to milliliters, we'll multiply by 1,000. This gives us 5.0 times 1,000 equals 5,000 milliliters. Let's visualize this. Here are 5 1-liter containers. Each liter contains 1,000 milliliters, so 5 liters contains 5,000 milliliters total. We can also solve this using dimensional analysis. We start with 5.0 liters and multiply by our conversion factor of 1,000 milliliters per liter. The liter units cancel out, leaving us with 5,000 milliliters. So to summarize, 5.0 liters is equal to 5,000 milliliters. Remember, to convert from liters to milliliters, we multiply by 1,000 since milli means 1,000th.